Well, good morning and welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. Today we are in Kiel, Germany, and we had a plan to go somewhere, but it's supposed to rain all day, and so we're kind of revamping our plans. Right now we're trying to find a supermarket because we're out of razor blades, and believe it or not, the store on the ship does not sell razor blades. So we'll see what we can find here. My favorite food, Bratwurst on a roll, on a brötchen. Oh, look at that. That's what we're having for lunch. Still haven't found razor blades. You want brötchen? You want bratwurst? Yeah. Why?
Yeah. Ketchup, mustard?
Mustard?
Yeah. One for you? It's €7. Ketchup?
I've got my bratwurst on a brötchen. Doesn't get any better than this. And here's where we're going to eat. No, I can do it right here.
No, I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit. I don't know.
There's nothing like buying a bratwurst off the street. When I lived in Germany, this was my favorite meal. Bratwurst and Coke Zero in Germany doesn't get any better than that. Despite the wet weather, we continue to walk around town and to see the sights. It's a fun little city. So this is the Church of St. Nicholas, patron the seafarer. That's appropriate for this port town. As you look at the building, you can see which part probably survived the bombings of World War II and which was rebuilt, probably using a lot of the same bricks, but they're newer looking. As we've toured Europe, World War II really did a lot of destruction. Kind of sad. As we continue to walk around, we did find razor blades. This is City Hall. Beautiful architecture. Look at this interesting character. I'm not sure what he's supposed to be, but he's fascinating. Here's another interesting statue. At least he's covered up a bit. I have no idea why he's here, but again, part of the beauty of this city. And here is the Kiel Opera House. After spending a few hours walking around in the wind and the rain, we decided to call it quits and head back to the ship. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Around the World in 274 Days. Thanks for watching.